Hi everybody, welcome back to One to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can change your Facebook profile picture. So it's very easy and simple. To do that, go ahead and open up your Facebook application. Once you open it, the home page will appear somewhat like this. And once it's done, go ahead and tap on menu, which is appear on the bottom right corner, and tap on the little profile where your name is written. Once you tap on it, you'll be brought with your profile section. Now what you have to do is tap on the profile, and here you'll get the option either to see your profile picture or change your profile picture. So here we have to change our profile picture, so go ahead and tap on change your profile picture. Now you can select any picture from your camera roll to add for your new profile picture. Once you have selected your profile picture, you can just save the changes and you are good to go. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.